guys. Today I'm going to do another video of my bedroom fan. So, as most of you know, this is a 42-inch Hunter low profile 4. Only I'm going to be showing the spin down, and I'm going to give you guys a closer look at it. It is currently 5:59, getting close to 6 o'clock. So yeah, I'm going to start the fan, starting off with the light kit. Here's the light for it. Let me zoom out my camera a little bit. There we go. Now I'm going to start with low. Here's low. It goes pretty slow and low. Probably slower than my mom's fan, maybe. Or it probably goes the same speed as my mom's fan. It's very slow. But on medium and high, they actually go very fast. That's what I really like about this fan. Hold on, the fan's not really in the middle. There we go. I'm trying to center the iPhone. It's currently on a smooth surface. So yeah. Now I'm going to take it up to medium. It's very decent. I'm not going to pull on the pole chain because I don't want to get the speeds messed up. I'm only going to pull the pole chain for the light, not for the fan. It goes really fast on medium. I didn't know it went that fast. It's blowing a lot of air. I'm surprised that blows a lot of air. This is probably the best air mover in our house. And this fan made, and probably the best air mover in our house. Probably. So now I'm going to take it up to high. Here it is on high. Blows a ton of air. Doesn't wobble at all. But it does make a little humming noise. But it's not completely quiet, but it just makes it like a little humming noise. And this is the only Hugger fan we own. Show you the air movement. Okay, I'm going to give you a top shot. And I'm going to show the spin down. I'll turn it off by the switch. And here's off. I'm going to wait for the spin down too. So I don't think it's going to take that long to spin down. And every ceiling fan up here is connected by Lutron switch plates. They're not on like normal switches or remotes or anything. But the only fan in our house that is run on normal switches is probably the one in the family room. Probably the one. And while this spins down, I'm going to show it with the light on. And usually I keep this fan on medium because anyways, it should be stopped by now. YouTube. Anyways, on YouTube, I've been posting a lot lately, more likely ceiling fan videos. It should be stopped by now. I wasn't expecting that long spin down, but oh well. This video is getting pretty long. I wasn't expecting it to be this long, but oh well. I can still upload it, just take a while. And while it's shutting off, I'm going to be giving you guys a closer look at it after the fan stop. Alright, that finally stopped. So I'm going to turn the light off. And I'm going to give you guys a closer look at it. It's just a basic, hunter low profile. And of course, these baseball pole chains are not original. My dad put those on like yesterday. I'd say probably yesterday. My dad put these baseball pole chains. All three of the bulbs are in LEDs. These are probably in there for a while. It's got reversible, I believe, gilded mahogany blades to weathered farm oak, some sort. I'm not sure what finish that is. I'm not sure what finish that is. It could be in a bronze finish. And there's the Hunter logo. So yeah, that is gonna be it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.